that, yeah. AKA the puddle.
Got a little siphon that goes into your backpack, you can drink it.
Yeah, one. Does your OCD in a bit, does it? All these different colours on my pouches, or are you alright?
Yes, I'm good.
It's got to be rebellious as far as I'm concerned. And
I gas, don't know what I'm doing with it.
I'll laugh if you're on an AJ.
As far away as possible.
Oh, gas, yellow gas. I got you, not green gas. Yeah. If we get it in an enemy building, we're laughing. It'll clear it out straight away. Oh.
It's the OD payday, is it? It's the OD payday, is it? It's the OD payday, is it? It's the OD payday, is it?
I might lend you a flash out there. Oi, oi! Hello, love. Yeah, let's spin around in the air, won't they, with that one? Cheers, man. Cheers. Oh, I love the way the boys. Oh, I love the way the boys. Oh, I love the way the boys. Oh, I love the way the boys help each other. Hey. I can. This is why we talk. Remind me I'm an idiot.
Oh, I am.
Okay guys, come gather round, leave what you're doing. Go get the game started, right, honestly guys. Coming up, it's not working. Come over guys. Okay guys, up the back, come forward. Take the wing down, come on. Okay guys, listen up. Okay guys, well done on them first two games. We didn't really have any problems at all, really nice flowing games. Just a good little shout out to guys, when we're doing a rolling respawn marshal, the closer you push the front lines, the closer your respawn is, the less you have to walk. It does equal time at the end of the game. Another thing I've been asked to say, guys, boys, we have got boys' toilets, we've got girls' toilets. Girls' toilets have been put in for the girls on purpose so the girls can feel comfortable. The next bloke seen coming out of them will be asked to go home, guys. They are for the women, yeah? They have different bins that we have and stuff like that. And we like to keep it clean for them. So please don't use that toilet, alright? Unless you are a woman. Otherwise, that is it, guys. So we've had a poo, yeah? And just a respawning. So that is excellent, guys. We'll go with that. Fire guns. Take the hit first time. Does stop you getting 25 of them, follow it, alright guys? But otherwise, everyone said you guys have been brilliant as well. So well done guys, top play to you all. Next game we're going to play is called Box to Bedford, okay guys? The attacking team are going to have the choice to take 2 small boxes or 1 large box and deposit on the back of our Bedford, okay? They're going to have unlimited life to do this on a buddy regen system. Now buddy regen, guys, when you are shot, take 30 paces outside of a firefight, find one of your players that is not shooting someone, give them a high five, and that puts you straight back in the game. Nice and easy, guys? Yep. The defending team, you are going to have 1 life to take anywhere you like outside of the mortar pit. There will be restrictions that will show you and tell you at your start point. So you get 1 life anywhere you like there. When you are shot, you fall into the mortar pit, high five a buddy, and then you'll have 2 lives in the mortar pit. When you're shot again, buddy regen again, okay? Now, defending team. If you don't have 1 life outside the mortar pit and go straight in, then you've only got 2 lives. There's not 3 in the mortar pit, but it is a good tactic, guys, to think about that within your team. And yeah, that's about it, guys. We will go through all the details at your start point. This is across the site. I reckon it'll be a 35-minute game. Long guns will be good for this. Ghillie suits are going to come into play now, right, boys? So you're going to be all right. Blue team. You just defended. So you're going to attack first on this one. You are going to be at the top of the Firebreak is your start point where we've laid out your boxes. Red team, You're going to start at the air base and we'll split you out from there. The guys that don't know these locations, act like you do, look really cool and follow the rest of the team and you'll end up there, alright guys? Get yourselves to start, boys! We're ready to go.
Hello, Smiley.
Yeah, it's cool. Amazing what your wife picks up in the primary school, isn't it?
You'll be a bit of Mad Max. You'll be a bit of Mad Max. You'll be a bit of Mad Max.
Right, so with Attacky, and that's big box or 2 little boxes. What are you're in 2 little?
Okay.
It's going to be a majority decision, I think, but see what the consensus is. Big dick, check, check, check. Did you hear me?
I'm doing it for you. No, shooting me. It's been nice something shot like that on the seat.
How long is that over? If we did, get off. Yeah, that's just.
Oh, hey!
That's all right, mate.
Right, Sunny check. Is that the Bedford or is that the Bedford?
That's the comms truck.
Comms truck.
Bedford is usually in the middle.
Is it not that Firebreak one where people jump out the back over the other side of the mortar pit, yeah?
Yeah.
You go rogue there. Yeah, you go rogue.
Ooh, just missed him.
Oh, I was going to turn that hop down a bit. The only thing in the correct range is fortunately. That's good actually, because now I can shoot her and she'll think it's carpy.
Hello, next. Ah!
I didn't do it. Well,
You're so loud in my ear.
That was you, isn't it?
I didn't do it. I'm just about to, but what?
Who the fuck shot me?
Well, they didn't.
Yeah, that's all right. Oh, I just become declipped.
We can play them games.
Is it over? Did we win? Jesus.
I've got one, and it's like a little survival gun. It's literally a barrel, like 2 or 3 bits of wires, make it stop. Great barrel. Put this little pipe in. Great little gun. Cool. I've got the over under as well, but that's a bit much.
The most unfit people to carry these planes. Really good stretch.
Yeah.
You ain't got there's no requirement.
What now? What now?
Don't have to be a member of a club or
You've been rude again.
Well, you have to have a medical.
Good.
To make sure that you
I
like.
downloaded a new game on Steam last night.
Oh.
And then you should hopefully
You just climb mountains.
and then you can just go and buy as
You
many
try to get to the
shotguns as you
top.
want. You have to
Okay.
have a cabinet, and they'll do an
It's not
inspection, you've got
easy.
a cabinet. There's
Your
no
buddy can
requirements
lift
for
you up with
storage
this
shotgun
rope.
pumps.
and
I ain't lifting you.
Yeah,
No, lifting you.
I know.
You better be lighter virtually.
I am.
You can have a shotgun shell in your
If you eat the
house
wrong banana, you'll
without a
die.
shotgun.
If you eat
Then-
an apple's
then
right.
I've heard that.
If you eat a marshmallow, you get extra. And lollipops are psychedelics.
Are these euphemisms?
No, this is all in the game.
Okay.
But then you can spend silly amounts of money on guns as well.
Rob,
Rob, yeah.
Robbie, he said to me, like, if you can get a license, he said I can get you on for whatever you want to pay. Like you said, they're not that expensive. It's a bit of a
Picking leaves off like a pro.
Legally got it, or no, 'cause you need to-
All in with face paint, like it.
Yeah.
Face paint, like it. All in.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, you want to give me your attention, please? Lovely. Don't know what to do now.
Whoa. Jay, now, mate.
Don't say it to him.
Jay, sit over there, please. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, you are our attacking team. You have a choice of objectives. You can either carry 2 mortar tins to the Bedford truck, or 1 big wooden crate that these 2 are lovingly sitting on. Up to you. Both are a 2-man carry. Or woman. No. Or woman.
Equal rights.
Yeah. You as well. There you go, you got a friend.
I'm alright.
No boundaries for this game. You cannot cross the firebreak. You cannot use anything that side of the firebreak. You cannot cross the blue ropes that side. Everything else is in play.
You're alright going up the left side?
Yes. Cool. If you want, you can run it all the way down the path to the Bedford truck. I fully endorse this.
Right, who's got smokes then?
Especially if she's carrying the trays.
Three more. We've got 3 smokes over here.
Never! Hold up. Lives! You have infinite buddy regen lives. What that means is, when you get hit, you fall out of the firefight 30 metres at least, find a friendly player, get them to touch you in, and you're back in the game. Consensually. Yes, I know who to pick out there.
No,
You caught me!
It's alright, I'm taking it on side anyway. Right, anyone have any questions? Everyone know what they're doing?
No.
So that's the Bedford.
Bedford.
That's the big one down there, not the big one over there.
No, here's the big one.
That was the big one over there.
The flatbed. Big truck, short cab. Not the Ford Wrangler, whatever it is. Ranger, thank you.
It's just when you started saying you can run all the way down there.
The large military vehicle. One without a box body on the
Exactly.
The troop carrier.
Not quid to replace the windscreen.
Drove one of them for 5 years. My forearms were like. Yeah. No power steering. Oh, we won't familiarise with this. You'll never drive one of these.
You know, not being made anymore.
And they've probably got contracts with the company.
Right. Oh, fuck. No. eBay.
Oh, fair enough.
Right.
Right, what are we taking? Big crate or little crate?
Briefed up and ready. They just need to decide on whether they're taking 1 or 2 crates.
You'll be able to move past the little ones. So you got to get 2 of them.
Hands up for 2 small crates.
Make your decision. Are you taking the little crate or the big crate?
Guys, hands up for the 2 little ones.
1 big one. 2 small ones then.
Lift it, get to lifting.
Oh, wait, let's see the weight difference. Look. I reckon the big one will be quicker.
Big one?
Just get. We
Is
can
the
run
difference between
faster.
losing 2 people or 4 people?
Yeah, exactly. You run faster.
Saying
with the big
is,
one.
2 people carrying defensive line.
Yeah.
Who wants to play rugby?
Can we open it and put it on our back?
We'll do the big one, yeah?
So if we get someone up front,
Teenage meathead here at Turtles.
Play the martial role.
Take the 1 big one then.
Go and high five this.
Right.
I would say get a load of bangs towards the plane as we go in.
Throw a load of grenades in the plane and clean it out.
Once they bear down on you, they can effectively stop you in your tracks. So don't all stick together. Do spread out a little bit. Cover your flank. Yep. As long as you don't go that side of the fire break, everything that side is in play. Who's carrying the boat? They've decided. Not really on box duty.
I'm walking away from the box.
Ready on your mark, John? Ready and waiting, John. We've got a plan. We're ready to go. The gym bros are lifting and sprinting. Are you going to run it around?
Gonna go quickish and get some nades in, I think.
Guys ready?
Nades coming through.
We only need one. We only need one box.
You're going to come run.
Yeah, obviously.
Oh yeah, we do.
Ready, ready, ready. Going in the back entrance. Got triangles. BVs are coming this way. Hey! BVs come. Oh, I can't talk yet. Nice one. Thank you very much. Cheers, buddy.
Person over yonder. Run in your left, run in your left.
Anyone had eyes on anywhere?
No. Can't see a fucking thing.
I'm trying to pick them up on thermal, but I'm only seeing you guys.
Okay, he's got hit.
Anyone not in a firefight?
Oh yeah, hey! Zach, listen, he's been at the back same time.
Sniper. Still got a range.
Where's your mark?
Do we know if we've got any blues forward of here? Alright, nice long throw. Blues hang back for a minute. Whoa! Go! Cheers, man. There's 3 on the Jeep, slightly to the left, 10 o'clock. And there's 1 straight down there, sniping towards us, 12 o'clock.
I'm going to flank left. Everyone.
Be careful of that Jeep when you flank left. There was 3 on it, I don't know if I hit any or not. At least 2 behind the white fence. Good shot! It's only tapped, but there we go. Paddy, anyone? Cheers. Pressing the bus. Hey! Cheers, buddy. There's several on the bus.
Yeah, they keep popping. I keep seeing this hard to pop a couple over the water.
Body deep territory. There's 2 on Bedford, 2 on the bus.
I did manage to clear one out behind the Bedford, but yeah, as you say, you got the more up-to-date information. If you need a distraction down the left, I can do that. I'm happy with that. I'm sort of in front of the truck behind the other Jeep. Nice one, man. Huh? Right, surely there can't be many left. They can't hit us all. Shall we all go?
Yeah, they're hiding behind the glass.
You're in there behind the bus?
No,
or just on it?
They're on it, but they're hiding behind the glass. They shoot out. They do what they want. He's down in the corner of it. You can't get shot.
Go, go, go! Hey! Just keep doing that, we'll get there. It's all about time, isn't it? Oh yeah, please man. It's just time to push, I think. They can't get all of us, their numbers will have dwindled. Suppressing the bus if you want to go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go!
I was sitting there literally with my mind on just bow, 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 bow.
DJI actually. It's rocking it though.
I've done it a couple of times on the grind actually.
Is that ending up on just your videos or YouTube?
No, it's going on YouTube.
Oh!
At BODAirsoft.
I'm not gonna lie,
I've seen your videos here a few times before. Did you do one recently?
Yeah, last week. Put 4 up.
Oh, I'll get my phone.